Next, what's your favourite Vybz Kartel song? Favourite Vybz Kartel song?
Vybz Kartel a Batty Boi.
Oh, Footahype a talk so. So wrong with him?
Kid a book a 4-room villa with 2 beds, bring 2 beds for me nigga. Markex pull up now your turn and a tidda. The girl a tell me she love the coach for me.
Vybz Kartel a Batty Boi.
Oh, Fridays, okay, say no.
We not invite them.
Good day, my people. We have a lot of stories for you today. Welcome to Clabba TV. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
People, Vybz Kartel, a Judas against him own nation. The first thing Vybz Kartel do is start bleach in skin, change from black to white. The second thing Vybz Kartel do is put in extension. Simple means saying I believe in a Rasta, the origin of Jamaica. Next, what him do? The man take a white woman for your wife. Simple means saying not even you get out of the whole Africa and Jamaica and all the rest of Caribbean islands. It's only a white man you can choose better. The next thing you come out, you can do. For you come from prison, you come out. You create a war between a separation with use politics to separate the youth them. Next, what you do again, brother? You see me? Is change dance reggae to dancehall, bringing this R&B beat thing. Eh? Yeah,
SilkBoss, when you come off a blood clot internet and go look at work, boy, what is wrong with you? You know, say music is not for you. What kind of big old nursery rhyme that you run and put up? Bad man, it come like you do that the tune before the man even drop, boy, you that dirt a man for your egg. What is wrong with you, boy? Music is not for your bad man. You need to go along over Barney River. When you go along over Barney River, go cut key and bad man, or go link with car generator, you go along down a market, go push car or something. Yo, better you go along out a bottom road, go pimp towards bad man. Tired now, SilkBoss. Too much nursery and bad man. If only your music career did a rise like how your height a rise. Music is not for your bad man. Yo, left music a bumbo clout loan bad man. You take time and move like Skilly Bang. You know, see a Skilly Bang style you take up. Every little fuck you go on and run and sing about you. You can't give them the waste man, the ratings boy, you that dirt man to egg. SilkBoss, left music alone bad man. Me ears a hot me dog. Me tired now man. Be a nursery and you need to go and go link with Sean Storm and High Water. All I need to get together and go find a funeral and go ball a funeral bad man. Music cannot fool no talent you to no go and go find no talent bad man. What is wrong?
You know we don't have to shot the key. Cause when we shot the fool all the key drop. I hear that.
Them fi know the crucial get dark and dull. Me no care what he coulda walk or roll. Somebody better fi go drop and ground. The war start and I got done. Them a try aggravate me. The pussy them a try aggravate me. Have me gun them can't relate it. Oh real bad man fi shake it. Them want see me head dark and me head cheap. Head cheap. Walk with the gun and no Benz. Key the last boy where this me no dead. Free head cheap. Tell them say me head cheap. Last boy this me no dead. Free me murder people without Benz key. Only one name Basil telling me no bubble. Look up in a me nozzle. Brain frozen body drop a gavel. When him a sip him drop the buckle. Them know the dead race when crucial gun rockle. Calm me no fire.
You see, uno forgot suck on woman, I no rate no bumbo clot sense. That me I tell you, some bumbo clot idiot people, no stupid, no fool bumbo idiot. Yes, one man there say the raise me wanna pay. Okay, when me I go to school, me say percentage out of 100. Or you raise your pay 100%. What kind of fuck with that? And if people never talk against that, you wouldn't take it down back and would do nothing about it. Till this day, you still keep it so. And you fix it, that's even if you go up on opposition, your pay can still big. When you done, sorry, no sense. When I idiot. I want bumbo clap, bungla idiot people, man, who will all know how to jump up and they say, yeah. And it's the same man, fuck up on. Which one I want to pay raise? Tell me which one I want to pay raise. Want to pay the raise? Food pay raise by no percent. You want a percent that more than 100. Out of 100 million that a school. So all of them teach me a school a fuck then. Percentage and out of 100 then. If you can't raise, you pay 100%. They have one around there where they run my place, Southwest Center. It's not a fucker there. You see, from we need to come back around here. No? Me say, hold on, if we go suck out on the mother. Hold on, people who are the talk about say, we don't want green arm people to win back again. The green people them go suck out on the mother. You know, idiot, on the dunce. No, no sense. Look what man are doing in that place. The boy want to run Southwest Center, and that the boy don't come back around here. That man in a busy boy, nothing. You know? Where the man keep on sitting, boy saying go send people go overseas go work, and then go give people opportunity to go work overseas. The man no say. As an MP, and we get like one 30 or one couple of them there, look card thing or whatever opportunity we give a couple of people. You feel saying go just randomly give some of people. You man having special people and we might give that already. But it's because you want to look like say you might do something for we right in that time when the elections won't come and call up this big massive group and say everybody going to get through or the bomb buckle at everybody to get through. Or everybody to get through. Over how much 1,000 people come up yesterday happen.
What is kneel.
You myself knows a feeder scale. And I represent what? Clabba TV. You hear? Paper. Make sure you subscribe and share. Clabba TV. Feeder scale is out here. You hear?
What is?
You myself know. Come on, baby, make me nail it in. Come on, baby, make me drive it in. Come on, baby, make me knock. You hear? Kneel. Clabba TV. You hear? What is?
Like all the blood clot everybody go get through. I idiot don't take for. And they all dunce but fucking idiot them still believe in it and say, yeah man, a good man, he might do something for me. Way. No fool and all on go suck on the mama and go. That me I tell them, I don't want this a boy for nothing. I mean I want the big nose poster wall for nothing either. Thief in bumble all you. You thief much money and I go on like you want. Hey, and I come up here, we go suck your mat to me, no rate no.
I hear that.
Them fi know the crew shall get dark and duns. Me no care what he coulda walk or run. Somebody better fi go sharp and gun. The war start and all that done. Them a try aggravate me. The pussy them a try aggravate me. How me gun them can't relate it. Oh real bad man fi shake it. Them want see me head dark and me head cheap. Head cheap. Walk with the gun and no Benz. Key the last boy where this me no dead. Free head cheap. Tell them say me head cheap. Last boy this me no dead. Free murder people without Benz. Key. Only one name Basil telling me no bubble. Look up in a me nozzle. Brain fast the body drop a gobble. When him a sip him drop the buckle. Them know the dead race when crucial gun rockle. I'm in a fire 30 years. Big one me bust 30 straight. Shot like it on your vertebrae. Tell me how some dirty great life.
Boy, you see brother what they call me a bounty killer? A brother they corrupt you know. You tell me and say, oh no I say enough you team busting about enough you team hold down you know. You tell me and say, what make you set up and style the marker like that? After you just clear wanna be son and you claim to be son. You tell me and say, why you say name skillful, willful? Better way name willful but not skillful because I see rhythm and bite him up like one pit bull. You tell me and say, you and him performance cranny like angel bed with the shit full. You tell me and say, right now the mark if you go in the studio, they will give you a small pine with the clip pull. You tell me and say, yeah, you can't deal with the artist of big superstar legend like the mark you deal with. This is to my soldiers, real soldiers. This is to my fallen soldiers. We miss you. Although you're gone, we with you. Gone on the battlefield. Life is so. You tell me and say, can't believe you deal with legend like that. You tell me and say, yeah. Bounty killer, last week you ball for unity in a dancehall and this week you will be a fuck in a dancehall. We don't like that youth. Make up your mind which side you want for the pan. You tell me and say, yeah, when you set up and I say your peace out with alkaline, then me see you make one video saying anyway you see alkaline, you have to go defend it. He tell you if you go suck me mama anyway, you see me, you have to go defend it. You tell me and say, make up your mind man, because you're kind of confused. You tell me and say, yeah, yo, bounty killer bust enough youth, you know, but enough man career in hold down, you know. Because him stress out bumbo clot merciless and kill him, you know. And then he go for interview, go say merciless take drugs and overdose and dead to bumbo clot. The time there him set up and left the dog on the rum chuck car. And you are all gatekeeping on the bumbo clot artist. Gatekeeper, you are the blood clot dancehall gatekeeper. You go like you want blood clot pitbull, anything you hold on pan and let go. You have to calm down, man. Bumbo clot, calm down before you go on down. Bumbo clot, man. And you see uno fans, uno bias when Beanie Man set up and burn no chain over there. Well, when I go say build won't see you, no claim say Beanie Man set up and make sure no get for perform. Uno set up and burn him out saying bad mind. But what we are saying, if I saw you go, uno burn him and say bad mind yes, but I same thing for Bounty Killer, what good for goose, good for the blood clot, gander. You check me and check, now we're not going to move the goalpost to make Bounty Killer look good. Oh, them are run on the stage when him a perform. The man them did out there and then did flap like a dog. You want to they call him winful, skillful or skillful, willful. You read him never like him or him never like you read him, because he told them out there a bumbuckler fight and the read him a winners can't to me see it read him would have kill him with bumbuckler lick. So in time, them Marcus set up and forward and Shell don't get it forward there. All they went off to do just corporate and that would have build back a vibes and make it place Shell again. Or dog what they call names willful but not skillful. If he set up and just run in pan the liquor forward where the Marcus start blazing fire and catch a vibes out tight, then the place would have Shell down I wouldn't have this problem today, but just because of bad mind. You check me and check, yeah, me and say me not too busy doing other things still, me gone. A King Richard the first.
People here when we are talking about Valley Park, see here. Right out here, so people usually have them activities. All type of something usually want out here, so. Call the park here. Be a blood clot bush and a $74 million. Niger Clark say pay for fix a park here. And the park you can do a movie in the park here. Yeah, you can do a movie in here because it's on forest. See there? When you feel like when you hear people talk and you hear me talk, or Valley Park, and so they make it turn in a forest, look here. Anybody can get your opinion. Anything can go on in there when you go on. Look here. The whole blood clot parked on forest. I want to hear we attack $74 million worth of park. And the only thing them get is a little wall around the park and not no more. Over here so was the source where the people them go do them look homework and something. School I want me now, you have a little treat going over here so now. And look how the park's here. $74 million worth of park. Look on the situation of the park. So the source here, these are the source. Whole park on forest, actually.
I hear that.
Them fi know the crew shall get dark and dull. Me no care who get it coulda walk or run. Somebody better fi go jump and bum. The war start and I got done. Them a try aggravate me. The pussy them a try
pull up. After you and I first now relax. Hold your jacket. Pull up.
Pull up. I want TV and a Clabba TV. If you never subscribe, run go subscribe now. The time is now. Pull up. I want a time out.